jumping the gear. Unfortunately, this may happen if the handle was forced or misused in some way. Fortunately, there's an easy fix. Open up the window. Now, when the window is open like this, we call this the neutral position. Neutral because the cams, which lock into the strikers, are in the middle of the slot that they move up and down in. So this cam right here is in the middle. And it is linked to the other cams that run around the sash. And you can see that this cam is also in the middle of this groove, this little slot that it moves in. And that is neutral. If the gear has been jumped, then one of these cams would be in the middle and another would be in either up or down position and not connected on the chain that runs beneath this hardware. Let's take a look at a window where the link or the chain has been broken and the gear has jumped. So for the ease of filming this and illustrating how to repair this, we've taken the sash out of the frame. But in the field, there's no problem. All the time you can fix this while the sash is in the frame. So let's take a look at the issue. Here, it is in neutral, the way it should be. The sash would be open. We were looking at it as if it was in the frame, it would be in neutral. This gear is in neutral. But what's happened here? This gear here, this cam here, is not in the middle. It's all the way down to the bottom. So how are we gonna fix that? All we need to do is loosen up this one screw right here on the espagnolet, this long part that has the handle in it. That's called the espagnolet. So we'll just grab our drill. We'll take this screw out. Then it helps that I have this tiny little screwdriver here, because I'm just gonna lift up this metal cover here, and then you can see here that the teeth on the linkage is really not grabbing all the way. That's because the cam is not neutral. So we're gonna lift that up, and then we're gonna move the cam to the center. Once it's in the center, we're going to put that linkage back. I'm just gonna maybe jiggle it a little bit. There it goes, it slides right in. Put that back down, screw it back in, and your hardware should work perfectly.